Lights up there, they work, they're not cracked or damaged. Alright. Right here, I'm checking my reflective tape. That has to be all the way down the side of my vehicle. Okay. Right here, I'm checking this whole front and bottom rail, and the cross member said it's not damaged, it's my frame, the trailer. Okay. No damage cross members, no damage side. Okay. My crank handle is in a lock position. Make sure I have feet on the trailer, on the landing gear, and then I'm not missing no bolts. Looks like it can support weight. Across the line, I didn't know which one it is. Left turn signal, right turn signal, left turn signal, right turn signal, full-way flashing. Might have a clearance light, yeah, he was there. Okay, coming down here, I'm gonna check my channel release handle, make sure it's in the lock position, and that my locks are in the locks, my locking pins is in the lock position. Here's where it gets tricky because look, we have different trailers. I'm going to go over the other one. Okay, so I'm going to check the rest of my frame, make sure it's not cracked or damaged. Alright? Down here is pretty much the same thing as I have over there. Okay? I have my leaf spring mounts. Okay, they're not cracked damaged. If you look over there, we have one leaf spring mounts. They're not cracked damaged. U-bolts are properly mounted secure, but we don't have no shock absorbers or airbags. So that takes care of the suspension. The only thing I failed to mention is we have a torque arm up there. That's the only thing I forgot. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But here's your torque bars, the torque arm right here. Okay, that little bar going across. Show you across this one. Okay. That's the torque arms. All right. And you see how it looks like it screws in?
Yeah.
It threads. That's how you. That's how you can tell. Okay. All right. So now the brakes are always the same. If you look up here, we have our slack adjusters up here. Our brake chambers are at back. This one's actually backwards. If you look at the other ones, the brake chambers are up front. So
underneath it, connected to the axle on the front side.
correct. Okay, so you got your brake chambers are properly mounted secure, it's not leaking. Air hoses, again, properly mounted secure, they're not leaking. Slack adjusters we can see right now. Okay, no more in its place. Push rod's not damaged. Cotter pins in place. You have your brake drums and brake pads. Same stuff that I inspected up there. Tires are exactly the same. 2/32 inflation in the tire. Check with the air gauge. No bubbles, cracks, damages. Nothing in between the tire, rims, lugs, and hubs. Same stuff.
You should record it. It's a video. A video. I don't see. You don't. I'm seeing. I'm watching. Your phone. It's not showing everything. You get people. What is that? The torsion bar?
Yeah, that's a torsion bar. Okay. Some are round. It looks like a broom handle. Okay. But that's just torsion bar. Some people call it dog bone. Okay.
It should be connected to the frame and to
That's
the
just properly
differential.
mounted. Just properly mounted secure.
But I'm just saying, like,